Dactyl, prehistoric winged creature, going in T-minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There he is whistling. Do we have a pop? No blades yet. No blades. Coming in hot. Disaster. And he hit. So yeah, the Rotor Dactyl will be rebuilt. I'm going to make some changes. I think we got to figure it out. So I'm going to go with a longer rod. I'm looking at maybe a 6-foot or 7-foot rod, because it left off the rod and it started to arc over like immediately. There was no wind really that day. I just want to get it off the pad and maybe a little more thrust. I'm thinking a little more power and a shorter delay. Just something to clear the rod, get it going straight at a decent speed. And you want probably a shorter delay. Here's the motor I use, 29mm F52 5C. 5-second delay probably was too long, but I'm thinking with calm winds it should have been good. You know, just calculation, just thinking it seemed like it would have been good. I want more of that trajectory right there. I want it going more straight. If it do arch over, not too much. You want it these pointing straight up for the most part when ejection happens, so enough to swing the blades out. So yeah, these are just some changes I want to make to the rocket. I already have this cone. This is not the older one I had sitting around. There's some loose clay in there, so I gotta probably get that. I'm about to get that clay. It stopped right now, but I'm about to get some. Yeah, there it is. A piece of loose clay in there. So, and I was actually thinking about going with a parabolic nose cone, more like a fat boy nose cone. You know how it's more a parabola. So something more shaped like that. Thinking about something like that. Instead of a pointed one, give it something a little more blunt so it ain't as pointed, so it ain't just cutting through the wind, going up there really fast. Some just keep it a little slower. You want high thrust, keep it sort of straight, you know, not super fast. This motor, I just felt this motor was going to work. I had it in rock sim. It was definitely ejecting at apogee. It was perfect. But I guess it was a little more breeze up there than I thought. But at the ground level, there was nothing. It was a dead, still, calm day for the Rotor Dactyl. But right there, longer rod, 6 or 7 foot, like I said, and change the nose cone, and just look into motors. I'm gonna look into what I can use, see what I can possibly get going. So I'm gonna be working on this as soon as I get around to it. Got some other stuff up that's ahead of this right now. Got to get a couple of BT80 tubes. I think I have some of them. Got to reattach this fin, rebuild from that crush section all the way up. Like I said, I already have a cone here, so shouldn't take too long, but there is some work. Got to fix 3 of the blades. I got to look at the blades. I think 2 of them are definitely had some damage on them. So that's where we're at, guys. Modelrockets 321. And out of here for real this time. Catch you on the next video. We will rebuild the Rotor Dactyl.